Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting proof and access. Open your email and bank statement while signed into app stores. This reveals merchant names and dates. Once you have a merchant, search that exact name in your inbox and payment history to find onboarding emails or receipts. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication on the email you'll use for cancellations and reset passwords if needed. This narrows hidden charges to identifiable services and prepares you for direct cancellation or dispute steps. Once done, map each charge to an account or merchant. Log into the service dashboard or App Store subscriptions page to locate an active plan. Cancel there when possible. If the merchant name is ambiguous, search for the descriptor plus login or support to find the correct provider. Make contact via support chat or email. Save timestamps and confirmation ID. If you cannot access an account, gather charge details for your bank, date, amount, merchant descriptor, and request a provisional chargeback while you investigate. Finish by canceling and confirming every identified subscription. Take screenshots and copy confirmation numbers. Once canceled, check for prorated refunds or free trial charges and request refunds when eligible. Policies often allow within a short window. Make sure to remove saved payment methods from accounts and app stores to prevent accidental renewals. If a merchant refuses or you still see charges, escalate to your bank for a chargeback and file a complaint with Consumer Protection. One key troubleshooting tip: use screenshots and exact charge descriptors to speed dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.